Okay, I just thought I'd update you. And by you, I mean YouTube. Just kidding, not really. Anyway, forget about that. I feel terrible for like pulling down my mask like that, but I just feel more comfortable knowing for sure that you can hear me, even though I know I have a mic on. I am by a street, so I actually don't know if you can hear me or my music, because I'm still listening to music right now, and that's why I'm filming on Snapchat, because if I wasn't, then if I was filming on my camera, using my camera app, oh boy, what's going on? I would not be able to have my music playing at the same time, and that's the only problem I have. One second. Sorry about that. I was passing by someone and I was putting on my mask, and I was also crossing the street, so I was just being safe. What was I gonna say? So, the board I'm currently riding is from a local skate shop in Illinois called Citizen Skate Shop, I believe. And I have these wheels, Bigfoot wheels. I think they sell them at shops. Pretty sure I've seen them on a store somewhere. But I bought them from Amazon. They're 93. I actually don't know what the diameter is, but they are 55 millimeter, I believe. But I haven't ridden this board in a while, and it's making this weird rattling noise, and I don't know where it's coming from. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it, and I don't know where it's coming from. And I just thought I'd say that for no reason. Just like for more information. Which is weird, because if I'm going to put this on the internet, why do you know more about me than I know about you, right? So it's kind of busy here, but last time I was crossing the street with a crosswalk thing, I did fall because there was a rock and I didn't see it. I wasn't keeping my eyes peeled. I'm so sorry. Keep your eyes peeled. Stay safe, everybody. My pants got dirty and I just washed them, so that was kind of sad, but they're wrinkly anyway, so I guess it doesn't really matter. Scraped my hands up, but they're okay. I've had worse, literally. But it's kind of thrilling to fall and injure yourself. I'm crossing the street, so I'm gonna not be on my phone. So, back in Illinois, in Chicago, where I lived, there weren't very many skate parks nearby, but don't get me wrong, they were great parks. I've only been to like 4 or 5, I don't know. But I am still a beginner, so I didn't really do much there. I was just like checking it out, you know. It's pretty cool. I keep forgetting what I'm gonna say. So yeah. Oh, now I'm in California. I don't know if I should really be revealing that type of information, but it is spring, as you know. And I was right, it is April 12th, Monday, April 12th. Here where I am, the weather is nicer, longer, more often, and wow, I really want to scrap that. But yeah, so I didn't think that there were any skate parks in the area that I am residing in the moment, until I met someone at the store and they were like, oh yeah, there's a skate park nearby, and I was like, what? And it's just a refreshing feeling knowing that I don't have to travel like maybe 1 to 2 hours to get to a park. It's maybe a 30-minute skate. 25 if I'm actually like. All right, so I'm pulling up to the park. I'm coming up on it. It's still like maybe a 3 to 5 minute walk. But when I get there, I'm not going to be doing a whole voice thing just because I don't know how many people are there and I'm still kind of a newbie and I don't want to be like kind of like that weirdo. So I'm just going to go around and show the park before and after when I pick it up because I did not bring my tripod. So I'm not going to have it up. Also, I don't know if people want me to be filming. So I'm just going to do a whole loop around the park and yeah. I just wanted to update you on the park. It wasn't all completely trash, but it was like dry leaves and whatnot. So this is kind of what it looks like now. It looks a lot nicer. Not as much trash on the edges. There were cigarette butts like everywhere along the wall here, as well as outside of the park as well. But yeah, looking so much better. And over here was probably the worst of it because I guess people sleep here, which is like weird. And there's like dirt and there's dirt and worms in there, which is like a sewer. I don't know why they were there. But there was also like a whole bunch of glass and plastic. And I went through it all, got out all the worms, put some dirt back, put that over it. People throw the trash in there, so I have to come up with a better solution than that. But